Ford fucking Ranger. Yeah, that's this thing. That ain't no fake sound. Oh yeah, bud. Alright, who's ready for another progress update? Because I'm just terrible at filming. Just gonna say. Bed's cleaned out. That's about retarded. Well, I don't know if I'm covering the microphone. That's about retarded. So, that still needs to be done. Dash is done. Look at that sweet shift pattern. Twin stick kit's not here, so floor pan's not done yet. Gauges are in. The Uli majiggers, switch panel majiggers in. Seat belts are in. Just lap belts for now. All the wiring's tucked and cleaned up. There's a transmission in it. The transfer case is in it. All the oils are in. Inner fender wells are in. Fenders are on. Got the front end put back together. Changed the headlights. Put a light bar on it. Built some sweet little mounts for the light bar. Homemade. Just cut them out of some tin. Well, not tin. Out of some 1/8" plate over there. Cleaned up the garage a little bit even, guys. Alright. We switched over to 4K. Now you see those sweet mounts I built? Yeah. It turned out nice. Clutch line's all hooked up. I still gotta paint that black. I don't like that. Fender well's in. Brake lights are all wired. The battery gauge isn't mounted there. I don't necessarily like that. I know the tach's hideous, but check this out. After a little investigation, the engine is a roller motor. It's got a roller cam and everything in it. I was sitting here free revving it a little bit. I know it's cheap, it's hideous. It is what it is. So we'll go to recall. That was my last whack on the throttle. Where's that at? And then this stupid tack, that's where you set it between cylinders. And then that's where you set up your shift light, which mine's gonna be right there. And back to normal. Battery gauge, GPS speedometer. This is actually hooked in to the headlights. So you adjust those. Got the high-low switch put in the floor. Stereo's hooked up. The shift pattern's sick. That'll be for when the twin sticks get here. I got the dash put together. I did get the heater working. So now we got heat. Turn the headlights off. Other than that, just piddly stuff. Put the clutch cable or clutch whatever, hydraulic line in, bled it, tranny's in, transfer case is in, put oil in all the diffs, put oil in the tranny, put oil in the transfer case, got a dipstick for the motor, it's in, motor's good on fluids, everything's ready to go. So it goes in next Wednesday, or this Wednesday, to get the drive lines custom made. It'll be done before this video's out. This video comes out, what, Friday? So I'll have it done for 3 days. So next video, hopefully we'll have it in 2-wheel drive and we'll take this thing for a rip and we'll go see what it does. Twin sticks won't be here for a couple weeks. They're on order. I got the JB Fab twin sticks coming. I didn't want to build my own, so I just bought the kit. So they'll be here in a couple weeks, finish up the floor plan, and then we're gonna go out and rip this thing, see how it does. Other than that, I'll climb underneath and I'll turn the flashlight on and I'll show you how much more clearance this transfer case has versus the other one. Oh, it took me a minute to figure out how to turn the camera on, or the flash, whatever. So yeah, found all the dash pieces in the bed. So those are all in. There's the GPS for the speedometer. I don't know if it's gonna work there or not. Let's crawl underneath. All right, there's the 205 mounted up, NP205. You can see that cross member was cut off the Ford when we bolted it right there and right there. Still working on painting these. Got the exhaust done. So it comes down, crosses over. The other one comes down and both run out and back and cut out. I need a couple more little chunks of pipe. I do have a little leak. Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just from filling it. And then that was, I had to weld that piece back in. I found it's cut out, so whatever. Plan on getting a plate, plating this on the outside, and then bolting it. That kind of worries me, this frame rail being cut that much. It's about 3 inches by 2 inches. So we'll get that done up. Fuel pump's there. Got room for the front drive line. Everything else is ready to go. All right, we skipped forward about 2 weeks. Finally got the drive lines in. Went ahead and installed them, trying to work the bugs out of this thing. It was loading up pretty bad, and then the throttle cable broke while it came apart. But driving her now, we'll see how it's playing around. It's still pretty fat. Needs to adjust the timing a little more, but it's getting there. It's loud. Just ignore that tack. It's stupid, cheap. And the oil pressure gauge, got air in the lines. So far I've got 3 miles on it. It's running pretty good. Just playing around out back, getting the bugs worked out. There's that fat spot. I need to work on the accelerator pump and stuff. Ranger.